Okay, following on from the last video, basically straight away, Gearbox is in now. I haven't recorded it because honestly it was just me and my dad trying to wrangle it into place, but it's all on the mount and all solid now. All the bolts are in, so we're good to go. Next up is just putting the linkages in and all of the, wherever it's gone, like the slave cylinder bit, which is going to be fun. But yeah, basically 2 bolts here, the other bolts up there somewhere, I think this one. Chuck it all back together and then it'll be first startup today, and then obviously do the brakes, but I'm gonna just make sure it works before I do them. So yeah, full send, as I like to say now. I am so happy. It's such a heavy gearbox, so it was unreal how heavy it was, but got it in, and yeah, clearly that's not, but I'll figure it out. So if you look here, you can see the slave cylinder like bit. Basically, this is I think this is quite a clever move. The pin that goes in there rusted away, so and then I was like, oh, maybe it can just clip in, and if I push the thing it'll be fine, but no, it pops out, so there's loads of pressure. So what I did was I took a metal clip off that, cut it in half, and I've just slotted either end in. This one doesn't slot in all the way, but with some working around, I think I can make it work. But this one's in fine, and it doesn't pressure out or anything. So now, looking at the video, I think I can bleed the clutch without anything needing to be connected. So I'm gonna do that. And then yeah, we'll be pretty much nearly there. I'm so happy that that's worked. Right, so that's me topped up the clutch, well, brake and clutch fluid. That's in. The bleed thing isn't off yet, but it's just on this. So it'll be off soon once I do that. Then I need to get a little bit of pipe on the end to attach and then pump all the air out, which will be fun. So, had a small issue there that I hadn't actually connected the intercooler pipe. What I assume is the intercooler pipe. So hopefully, maybe, it's going to sound a bit better now. Hopefully, if it starts. Oh, come on, the battery is very dead. Ugh. Right, round 7,322. Of starting the Volvo. Or not. Maybe we'll just let it charge up a little bit. Okay, welcome back. We're back on the Volvo. We've just got a couple of little jobs to do today, such as this, because the car actually, if the lens was clean, the car runs fine as long as it starts. Now the battery was a bit flat, so there we go. So I'm gonna bring it into the middle of the driveway. So sun visor, I've got a new sun visor here. So here we've got the new sun visor, which is a pretty close match. We've got the one with the lights, because I'm pretty sure, oh well, that's an issue. Ah, damn it. Well, I'll figure it out. I'll probably just have to buy that one too. But now I'm not sure how this comes. Is it just gonna be screws? What are you? I'll try. Yep, 8 or 6 mil crosshead. So I'll do that and then take the caps off here, fit it, and it should all be good. Well, that's a pretty simple job. And then how, that's just like a little clip that I can't get to, which is good. Hey, the So I've just pried this headliner down. Completely forgot there's an airbag, which is always a good thing. And there's not enough access really in there to get to it. Although, nah, I don't think there is. So I need a bit more like leverage. So I'm gonna maybe take this off, and then that should give me a lot more like come down. You can see it's kind of getting stuck on that bit. So take this off, and that should give me the leverage I need. I think that's the easiest job in the world. It's just a little push pin that you pull out and it clips in, which is cool. And that has, so long as you can hear me over the catastrophic engine, given me a bit more room to just get up and unplug it. So I'm gonna do that and then keep you updated. Right, so turns out the light doesn't work, so there was no point wiring it up. But the main thing is, this is in and it looks a lot better now. Obviously I'll put on the listing and it'll maybe not sell for as much, but it is what it is. I should at least make a very good profit on it, and obviously that's what it's all about. There's just one more screw left, and then obviously put the handle back, this bit of trim back, and we should be then good to give it a little bit of a clean up inside, because it's an absolute pigsty. But yeah, very nice. And that is the job done. You wouldn't even be able to tell I had it off. And the light obviously still don't work, but maybe it will now. Nope. Now? Nope. Now? No. Okay, the light's just never gonna work. That's fine. This light... Oh, hey? I swear that one worked before. I'm so confused. How? Is there a fuse maybe? Do they have a fuse? How do these lights work? Ah, the lights are on. How? I don't know. Has it got auto lights or anything like that? I really don't. I think that's auto. That's auto wipers. And I don't know if it's got anything else. But yeah, okay, so it's got auto wipers. That's cool. Turn them off. We don't need them. No. Why is it only got one? Why does only one front wiper work? Okay. That's an issue that needs fixed. Is this just not attached? I'll have to have a look at that. Does only one wiper work? How is that even a thing that happens? Right, it still sprays. I swear 2 wipers worked before. Well, whatever. And what? Right, something must have happened. Because these lights don't work either now. I wonder if there's a fuse. I'll have a look to see, because I'm a bit confused as to why none of these lights work now. Okay, so I've got the fuse box location. I believe it has. You can't really, the camera's just at the bottom bit there. It looks like it's not connected. I think it has actually blown. And it's also a bit smoky at the end. Okay, well that's fair. Okay, this looks a little bit more promising. We've got smaller fuses here. We'll have a look now. Yeah, cool. Right. That's fixed. Nice. Perfect. Right. Okay, so I've just been watching some videos on the whole one wiper situation, and it seems like quite a common issue with an easy fix. So just need to pop the bonnet first. And basically, there's like a linkage under here, which you can kind of see this bar. And essentially, there's like a ball joint that kind of wears down. I think it's on this side, or maybe this side. One of the sides. And it basically just wears down and pops off. So, I need to take these caps off, take the wipers off, I think they're a 13 mil. These turn a half turn. These pins push out 3 bolts on the wiper arm, clip, get it off, and then sort it out. Hopefully it won't take too long or be too difficult of a fix. So there we go, that's motor out. It's just a few of these bolts, 8 mils, 13s, and then these stupid little push rivets, and then it just unclips out of there. But essentially this is the issue. I'll just show you while it's off. This is meant to go on there like that, and it doesn't, because like the actual joint wears off. That one actually doesn't seem as bad as the videos I've seen. Like if I turn the wipers on right now, that would probably work fine. But it is what it is. It just basically drills, you basically just drill a self tapper through here, leaving enough room that it can still sort of move about, and then yeah, should be good. But get this clip off, take it in there and fix the issue, because well, I want to try and do this today. Right, that is it out. So this now just goes on to here. Well, somehow, yeah, like this. I've got some grease and stuff for when it goes back, pardon me, goes back together. Okay, that's the self tapper in. It's not tight because the guy said to leave a little bit of space. So hopefully that'll stay in. I don't have any thread locker, so I kind of got my fingers crossed. But I'm going to take it, oh that was terrible camera work. I'm going to take it out and get some grease in there now, just so that it is all nice and done and sorted. Then it can go back in the car, and yeah, should be good. Right, that's it packed as much as I can do with grease. I'm just gonna slot it back on and then tap the thing into it, and yeah, that should be it fixed. Right, that's it buttoned up, and I just want to make sure what I've done is gonna work. So I'm gonna just, before putting all the wipers and stuff on, obviously I've not turned them on yet, but right, let's see if this is gonna work. How do I? Right, they're both spinning, so they should both work. If I'm right. So I can button everything back up and then they should be good to go. Nice. So just working on clipping this in. I've cleaned it all up just while it was off. There's like these little white clips underneath that slot under, so I'm just gonna try and get them all in, and then that should just fall in, and then I can put new pins in there. So it's going well though. Right, all going well. That should be it, good to go. That wiper's looking like it's sagging a little bit, but we'll just have to see. So, chuck the key in. Yes, nice. And that works exactly how I would expect. Perfect. So that's that fixed. Never got around to cleaning it today, but it is what it is. That's fixed. The cowl's all cleaned as well, so oh well, okay, what's that? That just needs tucked under the windscreen. There we go. And this side should be, yeah, I did this side, so there we go. Okay, cool. That is good work today. Just finishing off some of the little jobs. Got everything working, all looking a lot better. See, for this crack in the windscreen, I was thinking about getting a chip kit because it's only in the top layer and it's not actually that bad. Wait, hold on. Is it in the top layer? I've got no idea how that's happened. That's a very strange looking crack now that I look at it. I think it is in the top layer, but it's really not noticeable. So I was thinking about getting one of them chip kits that you can like scrape on or whatever it's called. But for now, I'm gonna turn it around so it's facing the other way, just so that I can then work, because I still have to do the back brakes, but they are kind of cleaning up. But do that so that the back brakes are closer to there, and then yeah, pretty good work done today though. I'm happy. Wipers are fixed, and I need a little towing eye there, but yeah, good work. Cool. I think this will probably be it for this video, just because everything that needs to be done has been done and the car is now ready to go, apart from the brakes. Next video will probably be cleaning, or maybe even that the Volvo's gone, because maybe it will be, and then maybe sorting out the starlet. But for now, I'm going to get everything cleaned up, turn it around, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers, and I hope you've enjoyed it.